Who did? That's Michelle. And it went on the internet or Vegas? It went on the internet?
Yeah, that says amazing.
But it's much better in Vegas.
Well, we have to do it for the same one.
I've done it before.
So I got to see that.
But we're not doing it. That's the problem.
I've seen it.
Well, we haven't, Lamont.
We haven't.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. We're not talking about this right now.
Let's talk in the car. Walk and talk. Walk and talk.
Well, wait. Are we waiting for Manana?
Yeah, Rodrigo.
And come.
All right, so we're walking. Let's
You
walk.
guys can go away.
Coming.
I know she's coming. Don't worry.
Wait a minute. Who's playing that music?
Who has the keys?
Are we driving?
No. Yes, who's driving?
Why are we driving? It's right up the street.
What do we do? Walk up there single file?
Yeah.
Let's just drive.
Let's
Ready?
drive. Yes.
We're taking all both cars?
No. Let's switch into the Pathfinder.
Rodrigo, your keys to the Pathfinder? Angles, keys to
It's on the table.
It's on the table.
It's like the...
It's the blind leading the blind. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Why do you have to be so negative? You're like the negative Nancy of the group.
I see that Jibril got you a little riled up.
Lamont is obsessed with the fact. Okay, so we went to happy hour and I ordered a ginger ale and everyone else ordered drinks. And he could not let that go.
They had
I want a ginger ale. What
Alright.
can I do?
Let's go, we're locking the place. Alright, go down the stairs, Lamont.
I wanted, and he, every 5 seconds, Ashu.
Maybe Ashu didn't want to drink just yet.
Ashu, how
Engels, do not put that shit on Facebook.
How's
Look at you.
Engels?
You are not going to be videotaping all night.
Okay, he thinks he's like
Wait,
Martin
look.
Scorsese.
Look.
That down the pictures are so
Paparazzi style.
Yeah.
Right.